Hi guys! So I went out and bought this really cool Lego Harry Potter advent calendar just on a whim, and I decided to unbox it on the channel one day at a time for the month of December. So follow along with me as we see what's inside. Should be fun.
And for day 18, looks like we have... if I can get it open. Oh, Ronald Weasley with another collectible wizard card, a wand, and a chocolate frog. And the collectible wizard card is exactly the same as the other one. If there's supposed to be a collectible one in each box, couldn't they have at least given me a different card? I know I said the card before was Professor Quirrell. I'm not sure, is it supposed to be Quirrell or McGonagall? I'm not even sure which one it is. Well, anyways, here's Ron with his alternate face. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 19.